and welcome back to my channel. I would like to start off with wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, as today it is Christmas Eve when I am doing this recording. And as you can see, you are quite a bit far back today for this recording. Just checking. Yeah, you are quite far back as I'm trying to work out where to put my camera with this Damn Dark Club unboxing, as you can clearly see. So I'm not going to waste much time, as I've been absolutely desperate for this one. So I'm just going to open this one straight up and we'll get into it. Typical. There we go. Right. There's my packing slip that has a 15% discount code on it, so if you ever get a Diamond Art Club, keep this because it does have a discount code on there. And oh, okay. Different. As you can see, I have pulled out two boxes. They are roughly both the same size box, as you can see, but I'm going to move this one to the side first, and we'll get onto this one because you have never ever seen me do a Diamond Art Club square unboxing, so I'm going to get straight into this one. I'll just take the clear packaging off first. And we can tell it's a square as it has got the blue stripe across it. With the round, it has a pink strap. So that's how we can tell this one is a square, as it is a blue strap. But probably most of you would know anyway. But I thought I'd put it out there for people who doesn't know. So also, I don't know if you can see, it says there it's also a square, and also on the front of the box it says it's a square. So let's just do a quick reveal on this one. There we go, it is the Butterfly Breast Cancer Awareness Ribbon. Diamond Art Club did release this back in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the whole of October, whenever this one was purchased, a percentage of the sales was going to a breast cancer charity, which I thought is absolutely fantastic because we do need to beat this horrible disease. Right, first of all, we've got our little our mini sticker. Can you see that okay? Sorry if you can't. It's just obviously I'm trying to work out and it's a bit hard for me to see. And here is our inventory sheet, and yes, you are correct with what you can see. If the camera wants to play ball with, there's the big image. Yes, it does only have 4 colours, and it is a partial as well. My first partial. Yes, this picture is licensed from Shutterstock.com, but I've done a bit more research. Let me just dig it up. I actually found out where Shutterstock originally got the artwork from, so just bear with me while I locate it, because I'm sure I do have it saved somewhere. Can't be this far back unless I've accidentally deleted it. which more than likely I have done. Oh, here we go. It came from CMP's or CMP's design on Shutterstock. It took me a lot of work to get into that. So since you've never seen me unbox a Diamond Art Club square before, I might as well show you the toolkit. I won't show you it for the second one because it's around the second one. So we get a big handful of Ziploc bags. I don't know why we need this many for 4 colours, but you get them. You've got your typical pen. It's really hard for me to see what I'm doing. So you've got the pen, your 2 heart-shaped wax, your gripper, and you've got your multi-placer. And this is the tweezers you get with Diamond Art Club when you redo a square painting. And a little pointer, these are very, very, very sharp. They will hurt, so when they are not in use, keep them covered, otherwise they will draw blood, we'll say. Keep it clean, draw blood. That's how sharp and pointy they are. And obviously if you're careless, it will hurt. So that's your toolkit. Let's get into the painting. There have obviously been unboxings of this painting being out, but obviously I've only just got mine due to having placed this with a pre-order. I had to wait for the pre-order to come in stock first. Right, so there's your drills, we'll go through them in a minute. Your little step-by-step instructions, no one really cares about that. This is what everyone cares about, so just bear with me one moment while I roll this backwards quickly. And there we have it. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this one is going to be quite an interesting one to do, as I have said previous times, I have lost my mother and my partner lost his mother, both due to breast cancer, and it's an even more touching one, this painting, as for my partner's side, as his mum, her symbol is butterflies. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. This is an absolute must get. And I'm actually very happy I did get it. So I'm going to show you the drills, and then I'll show you where the AB goes, as there's only one AB. So I will show you where that one goes. Let's see if I can make it a little bit lighter with where this camera is. There we go. Well, we've got 2 bags of 603. See? 2 bags. We've got 2 bags of 601. These squares are just gorgeous. And here is our AB drill. 1, 2, 4. I've actually never had 124 before, so this is a very new colour for me. That's just absolutely gorgeous. And obviously AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's just got a iridescent coating to make it just shimmer that little bit brighter, as you can probably see in the packaging. And we've got 3024. That's it. That is the colours. And as I said, it is a partial, so this marble background is not sticky. It's only the butterflies that are. And as you can see, that's just a gentle light touch. That is how sticky Diamond Art Club canvases are. And where you saw me put my finger, all these purpleized, well, these light purple butterflies you can see, all here, all of them are all A, B. So that's why there is 2 packs of them. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to do this painting. I am in absolute total love with it. So I'm just going to pause this right now, and we will obviously put it away, and we will move on to the next painting. So just bear with me one quick second. And we are back with our second Diamond Art Club painting. See, I told you it was only going to be one very quick second, didn't I? Right, as we know, obviously this one is a round, so I'll just take off the clear plastic. I've got a feeling this is one of the old packagings as well, so let's see how this one comes. And I'll say it again, I won't be showing the toolkit for this one, as you've seen countless of rounds, and it's pretty much the same as the square, it's just without the tweezers. So here we go. As you can see, it's a round, and it is I don't think you can clearly see that. There we go. As I said, it's a round, and it is The Fairy by Mandy Manzano. And if you all know me by now, it is definitely a must-have. Wow, this toolkit came with a lot of air. Whew, so let's get that air out first. So obviously there's the toolkit. Oh, it does come with the little mini sticker, yay! Because I love collecting these. You've got the mini little sticker, which I actually thought I wasn't going to get with this one, as the box looks like it's an old one. So you've got the mini sticker. You've got your inventory sheet. 45 colours this painting's got. 45. And she is a 42 by 125 centimetres. I did forget to tell you how big the ribbon is, and that's canvas size is 56 by 71 centimetres. I'll hold my hand up, I did forget to mention that. So this one is another big one. It's exactly the same size as my Mulan painting, and it's obviously by the same artist, and it's from the same series as well. So wow, look at that big bag of drills. It's going to be interesting going through all them. And obviously again, your step-by-step instruction. I'm going to do this one without looking, because even though I do love this girl so much, I want to be surprised when I see her for the very first time, and I've obviously rolled around the wrong way. So I'm going to have to do it like this. And a voila. Let me just check. You can't even see it fully. There you go. She is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. She is like life size. Almost life size. She's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I actually can't believe I've got her. Wow. And obviously, if you know me very well, I am a huge Tinkerbell fan. I absolutely love this girl to bits. I'm just in absolute wow with her. So I did order these paintings on the 28th of September. I did order the pair of them on the it was the 26th, wasn't it? Sorry, 28th of September. I ordered these on mine and my partner's anniversary of the day we got together. And obviously with the pandemic going on, she was originally supposed to be dispatched in early November, but then it got changed to mid-November. But she actually didn't get dispatched until the 6th of December. And obviously with today being Christmas Day, no, that's tomorrow, Christmas Eve, she's here. Wow. And as everyone knows, obviously, as I said it, I absolutely love this girl. You should see the tattoo on my back of this girl. If I can, I'll actually post a picture in this slot right now of my Tinkerbell tattoo. So let's get into these big old bag of drills. There is 3 ABs of this one. So that's very interesting. Wow. Oh, okay. So this is going to be very interesting to put that. Right, we're going to start off with this one first because this is the first one that stayed in my hand. Right, let me take you in and get it to focus. Right, we've got 3778, 728, 976, 904, 644, 895, 356, 975, 3371, 646, 597, 445, 376L, 677, 598, 954, 3078, 3811. Our first AB drill, and it is a green one. Never done a green one before, and it is 134. Again, Aurora Borealis is what AB stands for, and it is the iridescent coating. And the next colour has two very, very naughty drills. Wanting to jump on in and try and be a green AB, but that's very, very naughty. And obviously we've got 817. Right, that's one strip done. On to the next. We've got... Let's just wait for my camera to get into focus because it doesn't seem to want to. There we go. We've got 754, 2 bags of 782. We've got 307, 948. Didn't I do a bag of 648? I'm sure I did. I'm losing my mind. 647, 444, 3024, 300, 906, 3770, 905, 898, 907, 400, 938, and here we go. We've got our second AB colour, which is 130, and it is a gorgeous yellow, as we can see here. We've got 3033 and 3826. And our last strip. Once I've gone through the drills, we're going to hunt out where those ABs belong. Right, let's just wait for it to get into focus, as it is now. We've got 783, 2 bags of that. 3771. Wow, that's a nice orange. Never had an orange before. 972. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 5 bags of 310. And here's our last AB. If the camera wants to get back into focus. It is 141, my most common one. And as we can see, someone's not practicing their social distancing. You do know we are in tier 4. That's very, very naughty. It's not allowed. And lastly, we've got 780. Right, those are the drills. I'll try and zoom in as best as I can. Oh, that's as far as I can go. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to zoom you out. Thought I could get in a bit closer, but no. Right, so let's get looking for them ABs. Right, we've got 1, 2 and 3. Right, straight off I can see some ones here that's like light yellowy. Just highlighting some of these lines here. All these are ABs. I've got some specks of ABs in her dress, so you should. Like, we've just got a couple specks here, we've got here, a little bit here, and obviously we've got 141 as our third AB, and that's number 3, and it's pretty much highlighting any of the light bits, as well as in her wings and round her facial expressions. I am just absolutely speechless about her. Wow. What I'm going to do is I'll leave a few links in the description box below for the fairy as well as the butterfly breast cancer awareness. And also, with me being an affiliate for Diamond Art Club, for first time buyers, I do have a 15% discount code, which will also be down in the description box below, so go and check that out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter accounts. All the details will be down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have a very lovely Christmas. And I will see you for my Thank God It's Friday Thoughts video, which will be Boxing Day, maybe. So I'll see you all then. Thank you, bye.